Hi all, welcome to Finuture Education. Today we will share important tips which will help you in your FRM journey. Before we go ahead, please do subscribe to our channel. It takes a lot of efforts to come up with videos like this. You can make a guess from image that you see on this screen. So please do subscribe, comment and share with your friends as well. So let's start. Did it appear like a breaking news? I mean, of course, the background is like that, but it's not really. We have important tips here for you. So, are you in the same situation wherein you have list of preparation providers and you're confused that which prep provider to choose for your FRM preparation? So this video is going to be very useful for you, and trust me, it will help you break down points which will help you taking firm decision for your FRM journey. And trust me, it's the most crucial decision you will make in your FRM journey. And what exactly you should look for in your FRM provider. Let's break it down. Look at the lady on your screen. She's coach, and just see that do you get like you can go through on prep providers YouTube channel, and you can just check what quality of teaching they are delivering. Do you get same energy level that this tutor would give? Otherwise, in this digital area, there is no scarcity of information. You can get everything on Google just at a click of button. But what you actually need to get through in the FRM exam is something, the energy level that tutor will transform to you. So let's see how this lady is transforming. So does your prep provider make you think instead of just sharing information? The sharing information is not a problem. It is like it is available at a click of button on the Google. So what really is important, that stimulation that is required to make you think. See, these are practical exams. So just knowing information is not sufficient at all. Trust me, it will not help you at all. So yeah, just check if that energy getting transformed to you from the videos, or like your thought process is like, is it making you think, or it's just a information sharing? That's most important. And trust me, you can explore YouTube videos and explore on this point. Is it just a sharing information, or it is like something which is making you think, explore your critical thinking? These are very important aspects you should consider when you're finalizing your prep provider. And another most important is like if your tutor is working professional, like the best part is relevance. He or she would be in a position to relate concepts with the practical world scenarios they encounter in their day-to-day life. So it's most important that, like I won't say all academic tutors are not that great, but like working professional tutors have added advantage. Like they can relate what exactly is going in industry, and what is there in your syllabus. So that gap is very effectively bridged by your working professional prep providers. So another important point that you should consider is like, just check if your prep provider is just a academic tutor or they're coming from the industry. That's most important. So just to summarize, uh, the way you should break it down is, does your coach make you think? Most important, I would say, is this point. Like, what kind of energy transformation happens when you attend the class? Do you feel motivated to study after your live sessions, or you're just normal and just You're bored with syllabus, books. Is it making you like, does your coach make your studies interesting? Does it make you curious to explore more? These are the most important points, point one and two, that you must consider. Does your coach just share information instead of transforming energy, making you think? It is just the information sharing, then it's of no use. Is your coach working professional? Like you need to think like law. I mean, big added advantage you may have with a working professional is relevance with the practical scenarios. And does your prep provider has a seamless learning management system? That's also most important. Of course, many people don't think about it, but trust me, getting notes on your G Drive, videos on G Drive, question banks on G Drive. See, this is like you're living in a digital era. You should have seamless experience if you're paying good amount from your hard-earned money. And most important, again, sixth one is also most important. Do you get individual attention? See, in a today's time, like it's more of commercialization. So, are you given individual attention to cope up with your difficulty areas? That's also most important. It shouldn't happen that you're paid fees and you're just left out. You are known silo, spending your hard-earned money and you're getting no values. So must consider it. And check after sales service. Like as I said, that it shouldn't happen. Your prep providers are just paying and leaving you in your own silos. They should engage you in study plan and ensure that you have proper journey. Even if you are not interested, they should create interest in you. That's how it should be. So these are the few pointers, most important pointers that will help you finalizing your prep provider. So must go through it and explore. Like every information is available, but exploring who fits best in your requirement is something it should be done by you. And yes, go through our channel as well. Now there are websites. You can always WhatsApp, and these are the list of courses that we offer: FRM, CFA, and even if you're doing MBA and any of your finance subjects are like you're facing difficulty there, you can always reach out to us. We also offer Python, W, Excel proficiency. So entire we just try to empower you for your rest of your career in risk management, in investment banking, in corporate finance. So like one stop shop in terms of knowledge as well as tools. So if any queries, number is there, you can always get in touch with our team over WhatsApp call or WhatsApp message, or you can alternatively email ID is given on the website. You can always reach out to us. Hope you found video to be useful. If yes, please do share with your peers who are actually planning to have their career in any of the areas that we just talked about. Thank you. Stay connected. Take care. Bye.